A Makefile is a script that automates the build process of your project. It defines rules for compiling source files, linking object files, and generating the final firmware binary. We need the binary to flash onto our microcontroller. See flags? The first part right here is targeting the ARM Cortex M0 processor. These flags catch potential issues early in the development process. The second part of the Makefile, we are going to define flags for the linker. tlink.ld, it specifies the linker script for memory layout as we have defined in our linker script. Now the last part, no std library, it prevents linking with the standard C library. Define libraries. We are only adding 3 libraries here. The first one, LC, it is linking the standard C library. The second one, it is linking the math library, and the LGCC is linking the GCC support library. The essence of writing a Makefile is to be able to generate a binary file that you will then flash onto your microcontroller. We are going to build a target, that is the binary file that we want. Okay, the source code is this file, the main.c. We do build and we call this firmware.bin. Now this depends on an L file. The object file depends on the source code, and this is where we add all the external libraries and our linker script firmware.bin, and this depends on the elf. I have included the instruction for installing the st-flash2 in the description. So whether you are using Mac or Windows or Linux, go ahead and install it. And at this point you can just call the make. In the next video, we are going to use all the knowledge that we have acquired and build our first Blinky project.